So we have arrived at the port, and well, to charge the cars into the container, and well, now we get a bit nervous as they said that the container is not ready. We have to deliver the cars here, then come tomorrow, put the cars in, and actually that was not the idea. Well, we're a bit nervous, and we will try to solve that issue because I think it's a misunderstood of paperwork and so on. So let's see what happens.
Las instrucciones que teníamos nosotros era que hoy llegaran los coches y cuando supiéramos que de verdad estaban aquí, que ya se podía llenar entre hoy y mañana. Pues, pero es igual, hemos adelantado.
Entonces, ¿hay alguna confusión en algún sitio? Porque dice, los coches tienen que llegar hoy
y embarcarse hoy.
Embarcarse hoy y precintarse hoy.
Dentro de una hora y cuarto estará aquí el contenedor. Entonces,
vale.
Lo hemos adelantado todo lo que hemos podido.
Vale.
Es que ya no dependía solo de las... Claro, usted le daría las instrucciones al transitario. El transitario nos la traslada a nosotros. Y ahí hay un malentendido.
Ya, bueno, pero bueno, lo único que sí los podemos descargar de la grúa. Eso sí. Nosotros nos quedamos aquí y la grúa se puede marchar.
Ahora Isaac se encargará del tema. Y
que nos diga dónde lo podemos dejar.
Vale,
y ya está.
Bueno, ustedes tienen que precintarle.
Sí, pero así el de la grúa ya puede marcharse para Gerona otra vez.
Ah, vale, sí, la grúa. Sí,
más que nada por eso. Nosotros no es igual estar aquí 2 horas más.
Un segundo que voy a dar.
Vale. Okay, so we have to wait 1 hour and a half so the container will arrive. So meanwhile we will download the cars from the truck into the facilities and then, well, wait until it arrive and start all the job.
Este señor es Ricardo Martínez, el responsable de que lleguen nuestros coches a Hong Kong en buenas condiciones.
Well, as you have seen, we are here in Ricardo Martínez facilities. He is the owner and manager of everything here. And well, muchas gracias por todo.
Venga,
y
hasta ahora.
Nos vemos. Chao. Bueno, sí, otra pieza. Va. Ya está, ¿eh? És, és igual, per l'Alfa i pel Mercedes. Això són bosses per ficar per dintre. I
vale.
Això són aquelles que van penjades.
Sí, obre aquí. Vale.
Okay. So this is the container where we're gonna fit the cars now. Now we're gonna put also the anti-humidity thing. So we will prepare the full container to avoid the humidity comes in. And well, we can do that with all the cars around the world, which is crazy what we do. What a tension day. Por sus Moreno, venga. Uy, ay. Venga, one.
Espera.
So, aquí. Vale. Va.
Sí, Manel, sense manies. Prom, sense manies. Sense manies. Sí. Més. Recte. Una mica cap allà. Recte.
Well, now we have the car inside. As you could see, we introduced the car backwards. Now we have one gear here inside the car, and then the brake hand, as the guys asked for that. Actually, we are not happy with the brake hand, but anyway, in 1 month, hopefully nothing happens. But anyway, we're gonna fix that into the wheels, so the 4 wheels will be fixed with that, not by us, by an expert of this company. And yeah, super happy. The first car in. As soon as we finish with that one, next one.
Tira, tira. Tira recta, recta. Vale. Nel, gira una mica així. Poc.
Cannot imagine tension we have inside here.
Vale, recta.
Trying not to scratch the
Tira,
car.
tira.
Ooh. Okay, so left.
Eh?
Okay, so I have to remove my shoes because I cannot go out. So here you are. Yeah, a bit smelly, but and see how I get off of here without scratching anything. Oh, sit at the back. Cool.
Tanto t'ha pisat, eh?
Sí. Ahí, vale.
La llave està puesta.
La llave está puesta, desconectador. Yeah.
Que Isaac haga la foto, ¿no?
Sí, bueno, está el compañero, está Carlos
¿Sí?
con el...
Well, as you have seen, now I'm wearing black, not white, as I had to go. I had to go underneath the car and fit, because I didn't want to stack the car from the rims, as they are aluminium, and well, we did it from the rear ends, the arms, and yeah, now finishing the 2 in the front. We did the 2 in the back, 2 in the front, and then it's done. Starting to get tired and tough day. Anyway, let's continue. Cars are inside, security done, and now we're gonna put the safety lock. That's it.
No está, pero esto. La cosa de encontrar el punto. Está cerrado ya.
Vale.
Vale. al número
Ya
de
está, sí,
precinto.
sí. Sácate aquí, ya está. All right, so cars are inside, safely locked, and we can say that the cars will arrive safely if nothing happens. And yeah, thank you for looking to the video, enjoying, and see you in the next chapter, video, car, whatever, because today it's today. Bye. Cars have already gone. We are really, really, really happy. We are really happy. What a nice experience we have had. And well, thank you very much for enjoying our videos. Really from heart. And yeah, next car, next project. And yeah, let's go.